Hello, welcome back to another video on the Stonksy channel. Today we're going to be reviewing how you can achieve your goals in 2025 or how you can apply this to a longer period of time outside of this year. So yeah, we're going to be covering tools that you can use, tips and tricks, and just overall how you can get yourself in the mindset of planning out some goals for this year and obviously trying to hit the targets for the end of the year. So yeah, we'll head over to here before we cover anything else. And I've just got 5 key points that you can use, and you can apply this to anything within your targets that you've got in mind. So number 1 would be write out your goals and keep them in eyesight always. So this would be write them on a piece of paper, type them out, potentially print them out, wherever. Now what's important with your goals is you really want to figure out some reasonable and realistic goals, but also ones that might challenge you. So you might go down in a tier system, say, or maybe you just want to jot them all down and think, I want to smash as many of these as possible. Now, the key with keeping them in eyesight is you want to get them somewhere where you would see them multiple times a day, every single day. So maybe on your wall somewhere for when you get out of bed in the morning. Obviously, you'll see it at night, maybe through the day. Maybe you'll have it as the background on your phone. So every time you unlock your phone, you'll be able to see them all written down there. Wherever you think will be best, keep them there so you can tick them off as the year goes on, or just always have them in your mind and you're always reminded of them each and every day. Number 2 would be write down how you will achieve them. So you could have this on the same piece of paper, or you could keep this separate and just sort of formulate a plan. So, steps to take in achieving them. Time frames and milestones. So this could be potentially if you want to hit certain targets by, say, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, and milestones within that as well. So, potentially if you're starting out with, say, a 10k trading account, maybe by the end of Q1 you want to be at 20k or maybe 30k or whatever it is that you're planning out. Maybe you want to set yourself some goals along the way and milestones to achieve. Number 4 would be tools you will use to aid you, such as Stonksy and BLOFIN. So we'll obviously dive more into Stonksy and BLOFIN as the video goes on. But yeah, tools that you'll use to help you. So, additional help alongside the skills and knowledge that you have right now. Tools that will spur that on, take you to the next level, make it easier and better for you to achieve your goals, but also maybe go past them as well. And number 5 would be measures that you will take, such as a trade tracker. So a trade tracker can easily be put together on a spreadsheet. So whether you have, Excel or Google spreadsheet, you can put these on and you can simply have some headings such as date, trade, margin, leverage, and an NP&L, something like that. And what you would do is you would just go in, you'd input each and every trade that you take, and then you would input obviously all the figures for them as well, and then you can keep a track of the trades you've taken if you ended up in a positive P&L, negative P&L, and then you'll be able to go through and see all the trades that you've taken and have everything in one place. A journal. So journaling is obviously writing down your thoughts and feelings, maybe in the market, during trades that you've taken, or maybe after trades that you've taken as well. I took this trade, potentially I don't know why I entered it because it didn't come to my plan. That's a lesson learned. Always, putting down your thoughts and feelings on pen and paper and being able to sort of keep a track of your emotions in the market, but also then being able to acknowledge, I didn't do this right today, but I'm going to try again tomorrow. And then weekly review. So this obviously ties into the 2 things alongside trade tracker and journaling. So weekly review, you could do this on a Sunday. It's a bit of a perfect day for it. Coming end to the week and then starting afresh on the new week on Monday. So you'd sit down, review all your trades for that week. See if you ended up in a green P&L, red P&L, and then you would review it. So you'd write down what you did right, what you did wrong, and then how you can acknowledge them mistakes and how you can better yourself for the week ahead. So then, you're constantly reviewing what you're doing when you're trading, and then you can acknowledge flaws in your system and then look to eradicate them. And I guarantee, if you do this every single week and implement that you will get better. You'll acknowledge things. You'll say, you know what, a couple of weeks ago, I would have entered there when it's not quite come to the level that I want to enter. And then, you remain patient. So yeah, a couple of good things, key things there for you for taking into, the rest of this year. But also, you could do that every single year. Maybe you want to do that for the much longer term as well. It's all about building blocks of success. Now, obviously, we're going to go on to Stonksy next. So Stonksy is an all-in-one trading indicator that you can adopt to better your trading, make it much easier in reading the market, and also, bettering your P&L. So what is Stonksy? Well, it's made of multiple different features. So the first one, obviously, that you can see on the screen is the background indication. Now, this is the 15-minute Bitcoin chart. As you can see, the background went green here and is still green at the moment. This means that Stonksy is seeing a potential for a long in the market, which obviously from here has played out superbly well so far. The other features is the automated support and resistance lines. These can be seen here. And we do have videos on this on the channel as well. If you want to know more about the support and resistance lines, there is a video here for you to go and view. The next thing is the bullish and bearish arrows. So here's one example. This is a bullish arrow that has come onto the chart shortly after the green background. So that's sort of like a double bullish confirmation there. And as you can see from that, the price has rallied significantly. Again, you can see video on the bullish and bearish arrows on the channel. Right here with the thumbnail massive update. You can go and see that. And alongside that update, so there's two updates in one, is alternative time frame viewing. So for instance, I'm viewing the 15-minute chart at the moment. And if I go into the settings, what I could do is I could enable the different time frames. So say if I put the 3-minute on there and click OK. So even though I'm viewing the 15-minute chart, I can opt to see what the background indication is doing on an alternative time frame. So this is obviously the 3-minute chart. And you can obviously view that across any time frame. And also within stocks, commodities, indices, and FX, as well as crypto. It's not just solely crypto Stonksy. It applies to all tradable markets, and that's the beauty of it. When we call it the all-in-one trading indicator, it really is that. So yeah, you can go on and see that as well. Let me just untick that for while we're looking at this. And yeah, we do have much more coming for Stonksy as well. We do have the automated trading bot being integrated into BLOFIN. So Stonksy users will be able to have Stonksy take trades for them, open and close them, and generate profit without them doing anything at all. Also, we have a lot more things going on in the background as well. Over the past few months, we've released several different updates and upgrades, such as the ones I've just shown you. And we aren't stopping there. There's more in development as I make this video now. And as we release each one, we'll move on to the next one as well, adding value and just making the product more better for users, adding more tools and more visibility in the market. And these updates also come free as well, free of charge. We do not charge extra for updates that we make. That is part of the package with Stonksy. And finally, you do actually get access to the Discord as well. So there is a community in the Discord, sharing trades, sharing ideas, and commenting on the market. That goes on 24/7. So yeah, if you do obviously want to see more about Stonksy, you can come onto the YouTube channel and tune in for my live streams every single day. I do go live for a couple of hours each day during US Open and Prime data releases, and also once on a weekend as well. So do come and join that too for more analysis. And yeah, it's always a good time in there. So you can also see more about Stonksy on the Medium as well. So we have published case studies, articles on each update, and more on there. So do go and check that out if you want to have a read of that. So that's obviously the main one. If you're looking to take your trading to the next level, hit your goals, reach some milestones in 2025, do come and get Stonksy. So when you go on the Stonksy website, but the link will be in the description to take you straight to this page. Obviously, here's the plans. If you click any of these buttons here, that'll take you to sign up with a debit or credit card. If you click crypto payments here, that'll take you to a payment portal. Now, if there isn't the asset or network that you would prefer to pay on there, if you just click this little hyperlinked email address here, just email in, just say what plan you want, how you would like to pay, and we'll fire over a resolution for that for you to get you going. So there's all the tools you need for there. And yeah, Stonksy is a superb way to really bolster your trading system and reach your goals this year. Now, alongside that is obviously BLOFIN. So when you're trying to achieve your goals, you need a place to trade, whether it be buy and sell your spot, trade futures, or you need a trusted exchange to hold funds on. Now, BLOFIN has a few key selling points when it comes to why you would choose BLOFIN over any other exchange. First of all, it's non-KYC, so it's the best non-KYC exchange in the industry. You can look no further than BLOFIN. You can use it worldwide with a VPN as well. So if you're in a bit of a region where you struggle to get on non-KYC exchanges, if you apply a VPN, then you'll be able to get on there, no issues. Alongside that, there's a couple more reasons, but one of the key ones is all assets are custodied in Fireblocks, so you can sleep well at night knowing all assets are safe, they're fully custodied, and they're all backed one-to-one. So when you do sign up to BLOFIN, yeah, you'll be able to sign up with just an email. It takes under 60 seconds, which will then take you to this page. When you signed up, you can start depositing straight away and start trading as soon as assets get in there, which is very quickly. They have superbly quick deposits and withdrawal times. And then the interface itself is very slick, very easy to use. Obviously, we'll come over to Bitcoin here. As you see, it's just easy. Everything's where it should be. Very easy to navigate and open trades. And you can do everything on there that you would need to. And obviously, they have a spot market as well. So, yeah, they've got over 400 different futures pairs and over 130 different spot pairs. So, pretty much anything that you want to buy and sell is on here. And, yeah, this is all under a non-KYC account. But like I mentioned before, we will have the Stonksy bot integrated into BLOFIN. So, do make sure you click that link in the description. Sign up to BLOFIN on the Stonksy bot. And also, yes, sign up to Stonksy if you want to take advantage of that. But, yeah, this is obviously the best exchange for you to use. So that goes hand in hand. Stonksy, BLOFIN, marriage made in heaven, so to speak. And then, yeah, you're all set then to, trade on the best exchange that you can under a non-KYC account, and also have the best tool in the business, which is Stonksy, to hit trades like this. So, yeah, that's all for this video. If you do have any other questions, feel free to email us in, come into my live streams and ask me during a live, or comment on this video and I'll get back to you. But until next time, that's everything. And yeah, you'll find all the links that you need in the description. Do come and join us. But yeah, drop a like, drop a subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.